Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see one product from Xiaomi. It's from MIIIW, which cooperates with Xiaomi. And it's a wireless combo keyboard with a mouse and with a USB receiver. It's 3-to-1, let's say it like that. It's a full keyboard with 104 keys. It connects wirelessly, plug and play at 2.4 gigahertz. It has one-click installation. It's very easy to use. You just plug it in your USB slot in your PC and or whatever device you want to use it, and it connects automatically with the keyboard and the mouse. In order to operate them, you are going to need three AAA batteries, which are not included. The two batteries are for the keyboard and one battery is for the mouse. You will find it in black. It has a lifespan of 5 million times with a response time of 0.4 hits per second. It's a membrane keyboard with dimensions of 40 to 13 to 3.5 centimeters, and it weighs 412 grams. Inside the box you can find the keyboard, you can find the mouse, the USB receiver, and a manual which is in English. Now this is the box. It's a little bit big for my camera, so I'm going to turn it around and see here what the specs are written. So it says here, simple and elegant, dual mode adaptivity. Yes, it can operate either for PC or Mac. It has a special button which gives this ability to the keyboard. It's Ipx4 Waterproofness, so you don't have to worry about water, coffee or whatever. And it's plug and play, as we said before. Here it says that it needs 4 3A batteries. So when we're going to open it, we're going to see it. The plug and play, the manual, the mouse and the keyboard. So this is, and it is. Now here is the button, the special button which makes the keyboard operate either for PC or Macintosh. You can connect it in either devices and work normally. So this is the first part of the video. The second part, I'm going to connect it to my mini PC that I have already shown you that I have, and see how it works and reacts. So this is the second part of my video. I have connected my mouse and my keyboard, as you can see here. I have connected my mouse and my keyboard to my mini PC. I have connected directly on the mini PC at the back side. Here, and it is. And when I operate it, you see a green light is lighting. If I activate caps lock, another green light. Num lock is activated. Screen lock, no. Screen, I don't know what it is. The keyboard, it works very nice. It connected directly. Let me see if I can find it in my Bluetooth devices here and show it to you. Devices. Here it is. Mi USB receiver. And this is connects with the USB with the keyboard and the mouse. Works very nice. I have no problem working with it. I would like only to mention one negative thing that I found is the cover of the mouse at the lower part where the batteries are. You must be very careful there in order to place it correctly, because the plastic extensions that has the cover are very thin and very easy to break, and if you break one of them, then you cannot use the cover. But nevertheless, and without the cover, the mouse is working perfectly. I had such a problem. So this is Matt Doctor for itechnews.gr. If you like my videos, please press like, press share, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see and be ready for other reviews that I'm gonna make for you. Bye.